Hi everyone, my name is Katie Chase, and this year I am the Mastery Lab Coordinator for the Psychology Department. I'm a third-year graduate student in the Clinical Psychology Master's Program, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make an appointment to visit the Mastery Lab using the website Calendly. So first of all, what is Calendly? Last year we used a different website called You Can Book Me, which you might be familiar with, but this year we switched over to Calendly just because of its awesome free features. So this allows for you to, book appointments, schedule meetings, and just schedule a time for you to visit us in the Mastery Lab downstairs in Henderson. So for the PY100 students specifically, this will be used so you can book time to do research and quizzitive activities, visit us for tutoring, take makeup tests or quizzes, and then take the ACAT closer you get to graduation. So for those of you that don't know, the Mastery Lab is located in the basement of Henderson in room 23. Here are the hours. These hours correspond to the appointment times that you can book through Calendly. And very important, please follow the university COVID protocols. Please wear a mask and also bring your Washburn ID. So here in a second I'll click this link, but just in case you don't want to watch the whole video again, here are the steps. It's pretty simple. Click the link, just select when you want to come in, what day, what time. The required fields you need to fill out are your name, your Washburn email, your reason for attending, and the phone number slot is optional, but I do recommend that you fill that out just because text reminders I think are more convenient in a sense than email reminders. But regardless, you'll get that confirmation via email. You'll get a reminder prior to your appointment, and then if you entered your number, you'll get that on your cell phone as well. So this is what that URL will take you to. As you can see, this is for the Mastery Lab in Henderson 23. So let's say you want to come in on Thursday. You click Thursday. You would go ahead and click your time. We'll just do 11. Confirm. You'll enter your name. That's me. And let's say I'm going to go in there for tutoring. And if one of the reasons that you want to attend is not these boxes, please select the other and then type out why you want to come in. It just helps the Mastery Lab assistants and myself just be prepared to help you in the best way that we can. So recommended that you enter your number, but you don't have to. And then you click schedule. And it's confirmed. And if you want to, if you're using Google Calendar or something like that, you can add it. It's for like an extra reminder, but you will get an email confirmation and then a text later on if you entered your number. And that's really about it. Pretty simple. But if you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact me. There's my email, caitlin.chase@washburn.edu, or you can just stop by the Mastery Lab during one of our open hours and ask any Mastery Lab assistant that's on duty. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you have a great semester, and we look forward to seeing you soon.